and we've just got the International out. It's 275 1953, and with a Ferguson cordwood saw on the back, heavily modified to PTO drive. And perhaps at some point, if there's any requests, I will go through that. I did it earlier on, but like 10 years ago. Anyway, can you hear that tinkling noise above the engine revs? What on earth's going on? Sort of running with engine speed. Not sure. Is it the dynamo? Something like that. Let's go and have a look at the front end. So that cable there is for trickle charging from the 48 volt battery system. It just keeps the battery live all the time. And there's the pump, and at the front there is the water pump, and the dynamo's the other side. Let's just go and have a look. And just there is the hydraulic pump, and above it is, just behind that screen, is the dynamo. And we can't hear that noise from this side, so it must be the other side somewhere. So what is it? What do you think? That was a bit of a relief. Simple things sometimes, and you just assume it's something more complex. Hope you enjoyed that. Catch up with you soon.